again, I just want to talk through it. We're at the stage where we've done a lot of problems at this stage over here. So, writing things down and then trying to figure out what you need to know is pretty important. So, writing down SN, whoops, sorry about that. Writing down SN is probably pretty important. And before I go forward, I want to point out I know SN, I know A1, I know AN, but I don't know what N is. So I got to be honest with you, just this first formula will tell me what N is. And that's pretty quick. All right, so this first formula will tell me what N is. So what's it going to be? It's going to be 2, it's really simple too, 2SN over A1 plus AN would equal N. And that's written there. So I understand that first step. It's pretty clear. Right? I understand that first step. It's 2SN over A1 plus AN. Right, let me erase this over here. So I'm good here. I'm good. Right, so did I get one of the formulas? Yeah, I got a formula for N in terms of A1, AN, and SN. Next up, I know another formula, and that other formula that you know, I hope you realize is written down for you. This one over here. Again, if I'm looking at it, I know A1, I know AN, I know N in terms of those things, but I don't know D. So what I want to do is take this formula here, and I just want to verify I'm getting something over here. And let me write that down for you. So, just kind of solving, it's going to be AN minus A1. Well, that would equal N minus 1D, and then divide through by N minus 1. And that would equal D. Now, again, I want to point out to you that I know A1, I know AN, but I got trouble. That N minus 1, I got to plug in that N now, all right? But let me point out where we are now. And we're just talking through the notes, by the way. That's all we're doing. And that's what you want to do when you study. If you don't understand something and you see a key, you want to talk your way through the key, all right? So I want to point out where we got to here. And that's pretty clear as day to me. I want to see if we get to the next line. And what I'd write down is AN, I know what that is, minus A1, I know what that is. I want D, by the way. I don't know what that is. What's N? N's up here. Let's write it down. So it's going to be 2SN over A1 plus AN, right? Minus 1. Now this is, it's a formula, but it doesn't look right. And what I need to do is multiply top and bottom by the minor LCD. Let me go through that with you. That's AN minus A1. The minor LCD is actually A1 plus AN. I'm multiplying top and bottom by it. And you can get 2SN. It clears the fraction there. It's the whole point of it. Minus, 1 times A1 plus AN. And that equals D. I'm going to just, multiply it out to make sure I get what they said I should get. And if you looked at it, well, it's conjugates, right? So what are you going to get? AN squared minus A1 squared. Again, they're conjugates. And what do you get on bottom? You would get 2SN minus A1 minus AN is equal to D. And that's exactly what they have over here. Let me just point that out to you. I got the top and I got the bottom. And things are working out, right? What did they ask for? A formula for N, which was easy to come up with, and a formula for D, which took a little bit more work, but we did get there. Thank you.